What we hunting for today, Noodles? Hmm? What we looking for today, Noodles? We've got little blue tits in here. It's there in the trees, look too. Mum and Dad. And they're going to feed the chicks. Yeah, got you. Going to feed the chicks, and then a few seconds later, back out again. And 5 seconds from the garden, we have, ready, to the Whitehaven Pignut Sanctuary. What can you make? Pignuts?
Pignuts. What can you do to the pignuts? I mean, how can you make it? Can you bake it? Can you cook it? Can you grill it? Oh, let's make some sauce with pignuts. Ben, make some sauce. I will make some sauce using pignuts. Spring roll. Fresh spring roll with pignuts.
Fresh spring roll with peanuts.
Pignut sauce.
Oh! I've just stepped in dog shit.
No, it's just
Fresh
spring roll
with pig nuts.
sauce.
No. I'm a normal Cumbrian guy with a crazy Filipino wife. We'll take her home and then we'll go and do something sensible like find pig nuts. We're 5 minutes away from home, we're in the woods, and today we're looking for pig nuts. Let's go. We're just through the other side of the garden gate. We're in the woods now, as you can see. Perfect. And we're going to get some scallops from the boats and some fresh cod today, so I think we'll get some pig nuts just to accompany them. Ginger noodles! Ginger noodles! It's a beautiful wood, but unfortunately there's very little in here that's edible. Some wild garlic, pig nuts, elderflower, that's about it really. Hawthorn, no mushrooms at all. We've got some good nettles, fantastic nettles, which we'll use for some nettle beer. But we're on the lookout for pig nuts tonight, and we're looking for small white flowers with carrot-like fronds, leaves, little leaves that look like carrot tops. There you go, right away. Pignut flowers. There you go, more pignut flowers, and they're everywhere. Now it's pignut time. It's end of May, start of June, so now's the time to get out and forage for these little hidden gems. There's plenty around. Ginger. See here, look. They're everywhere at the moment. But you need to be really careful because they're so delicate. You need to expose the root and then carefully dig around it and lift it up like that. Underneath should be your nut. There you go. See, I've dug into that one. But these stems break off so easily. See? That's why you need something to dig them up. I'll take that back and clean it up, but that's quite a big one. There you go. There. There's the fronds. Flower, easy to identify. Right, okay, let's try here, look. See? White flowers. Carrot-like fronds. Let's see if we can dig this up. Right, so we'll just clear a little area off there. Don't dig right underneath the stem because you'll disturb the pignut. Lift the soil like that, gently break it away, and see how delicate they just fall off. Here we should have there you go, pignut. Perfect. And that's as they come out the soil, you know, just they'll scrape off, and underneath that's where you've got the white pignut. This is hedge garlic. Comes up this time of the year. Easy to tell. There you go, nice leaf. And if you crush it up, can't mistake this one. This is wild garlic. See, wild garlic. The flowers are turning into little capers now. You can pick these in vinegar. Really good. The leaves, we can use these leaves for anything. They're fantastic. One of the best free ingredients. So basically just a woodland path. There you go. Woodland path, and then right down the side of the woodland path you've got the pignuts. Look for these little white flowers. Follow them down into the base. There you go, there's the stem. There's the stem. But look how easy they come off. They just break off. Hey, 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 come on, dirty dog sniffing poo. What are you doing, eh? Now there's not many edibles in these woods, but what I found last night are prime ingredient for chefs. Grows on the side of trunks and in mossy ground. This is wood sorrel. It's really easy to identify because of the leaves. There you go. It's like clover. This focus is shit. There you go. That's the front. There's the back. And it's like a really lemony flavour. Fantastic with fish. Nice in salads. Beautiful as a garnish. And there you go. Wood sorrel. Just grows everywhere on the side of paths. Oi! 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 Come on. We've only had 2 or 3 days rain in 11 weeks during lockdown, so everything's pretty dry. Still nice and green. Everywhere's green, but the ground's really hard. There you go. Right there. They're everywhere. Right? Pignuts. Here, look. There you go. Pignut flowers. We'll dig a few up and then we'll fry them up in some butter, like a topping for the cod. So look for these little white flowers. Then look for these. That's the foliage, the leaves, like carrots. There's the root. And just dig there, soft ground. Let's have a look. Might be a couple of roots on here. No, nothing. Probably deeper. But you get the idea. Right, let's try. See if we can get this one. Just gently clear a little area away of soil and sticks, and don't dig directly in, just dig around. Yeah. And just gently undo the earth around the pignut. And you should find somewhere in the roots a nice white nut. In this case, nah, nothing there. So when it comes to cleaning the pig nuts, this is what they come out of the ground like, looking like that. This is what they end up like. That's ready to eat now. If you had a little truffle slicer or something like that, it would shape nicely over pasta or salad. But I normally just get them, dip them in water. Skin just comes straight off. I keep meaning to buy a truffle slicer, but the Pignuts are only out for a few weeks, so it's hardly worth it. We haven't got any truffles. We don't have any truffles here. So yeah, you get the idea. Just cut them rough bits off. If you get a handful of these, they grate nicely over a salad. Got like a nutty, fresh almond or fresh tree nut flavour. But anyway, there you go. So that is the Pignut. The finished item, the Pignut. Grate it, slice it, use a truffle peeler, have it on pasta, salads. It's really nutty. Nothing much inside. There you go. And somebody very close to me is dying for a piece, aren't you? No. We like them ginger noodles? Yeah, she likes them. Okay, scallops with butter sauce. Okay, butter sauce. Poached cod in olive oil. A little bit of sea buckthorn. A little bit of pine oil. This is an idea I got from Franson in Stockholm. Some fresh pan shoots. A few pickled pine shoots. Ginger, shut up. Pickled pine shoots. Some lime zest. A little bit of lime zest. Some homemade XO with ingredients that I've stole off my wife. And finally we have, oh yes, the Pignuts. A little bit of Pignuts on the cod. Freshly picked this morning in my back garden. How's that?